Have you ever asked an AI assistant a question based on a specific article, only to get an answer that seems to have come out of nowhere? You're not alone. One of the biggest challenges with today's powerful language ICE is their tendency to hallucinate or make things up, especially when the information they're given is incomplete. Here's why this is important. When we ask an AI to answer a question using a specific document, we need it to stick to the facts in that document. This is called groundedness. If the answer isn't in the text, the AI should say so. Instead, it often uses its vast general knowledge to create a plausible but ultimately unverified answer. This undermines trust and is a major roadblock for using AI in sensitive fields like medicine, law, or finance. Furthermore, getting a big AI to generate these elaborate, speculative answers is a slow and expensive process that uses a lot of computational power. To tackle this, researchers proposed a simple yet brilliant idea. What if we had a bouncer? Instead of letting the big, powerful AI do all the work, they first use a much smaller, lightweight AI to do a quick pre-check. This little AI has one job: to look at the question in the provided document and determine, almost instantly, whether the answer is likely to be found within that text. It's a simple yes or no check before the main event. Let's explore what they found. The results were striking. These small, specialized ICE were just as accurate at detecting groundedness as massive, state-of-the-art models like Llama 3 and GPT-4o. The real game changer, however, was the speed. The smaller models performed this check orders of magnitude faster, meaning they could prevent the big AI from wasting its time on unanswerable questions in just a fraction of a second. So, what does this mean in practice? Imagine a customer support bot that can instantly tell you if the answer to your question is in the user manual, rather than spending a minute crafting a confusing, made-up solution. Or a research assistant that can rapidly scan hundreds of documents and only flag the ones that actually contain the information you need. This approach makes AI systems faster, much cheaper to run, and, most importantly, more reliable. It's a crucial step toward building AI that we can truly trust to be factual. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI research made simple.